Get your business downtown now. It's kind of in this renaissance. There's a lot of renovations that are happening with all the hotels, a lot of energy picking up with, again, the events, the ballpark.
Downtown and El Paso in general has like this crazy energy right now. There's a lot of confidence in all age demographics. I think there's a lot of players right now, big and small, and I think they're all equally as important. There's a lot of opportunity for growth in the downtown area. We're just so glad that we're a part of it, and we want more and more people to be a part of it as well.
There's plenty of awesome architecture downtown. You know, I can cruise by and say, oh, it would be great if we had, you know, like an ice cream shop here or something different to do, you know. So I think people should come downtown. Ever since the Chihuahua Stadium opened up, they also opened up the same year that we opened here. And there's just been more foot traffic all around, and I know that people are still unfamiliar with it. You know, I can tell people like, oh yeah, we're located downtown. I'm like, why downtown? Like, what do you mean why? When was the last time you were there? You know, come check it out. There's so much that's popping up, and there's still a lot of opportunity.